This. My soul feels my body is in trouble. Each ache a Morse-coded message, each wrinkle a form of holy braille. I wander out into the star-scarred night, my lungs drinking from the icy view. Seeing a tree spray-painted in frost, I stare. A silent connection fills me. This feels familiar, so familiar. A relative, a friend, a lover. This is reminding me, nature is reminding me, I am not just an aging body. I am not my thoughts. I am how I choose to act. And today, right now, I will act lovingly. I will not falter. I will sense everything's call to love. I am never alone in this. I am one with those that stay asleep, incubated by this divine body, its sacred connections touching my soul, holding its presence so tightly. Together we age, we feel pain, we seek answers. In the seeking we find the tone of silence. Hearing an owl's concern, my silent mask begins to thaw as I await for dawn to mirror this love.